Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Ijaz Muhyiddin, and we are going to discuss a very important topic today, that is the gallstones and cholecystitis. Gallstones are stones within the gallbladder, and cholecystitis is the inflammation of the gallbladder. Anatomy and physiology of the gallbladder: it lies on the underside of the liver at the junction of right and left lobe of the liver. It is a pear-shaped structure, 7.5 to 12 cm in length, with a normal capacity of 30 to 50 ml. It is further divided into fundus, body and neck. It terminates into narrow infundibulum. The mucous membrane contains indentations of mucosa known as crypts of Luschka. The cystic duct is about 3 cm in length. Mucosa of the cystic duct are arranged in spiral folds known as valve of Lister, and wall is surrounded by sphincteric structure known as sphincter of Lütgens. The right and left hepatic ducts join to form the hepatic duct or common hepatic duct, which joins the cystic duct to form the common bile duct. The common bile duct opens into the second part of the duodenum. The common hepatic duct is 2.5 centimeters. Common bile duct is 7.5 centimeters. Common bile duct is further divided into 4 parts: supraduodenal, retroduodenal, infraduodenal, and the intraduodenal. Callett's triangle or hepatobiliary triangle: it is formed by cystic duct, common hepatic artery, and superior border of the cystic artery. It is necessary to identify and visualize it before doing cholecystectomy. Cholecystectomy is to remove the gallbladder. Bile is produced in the liver and stored in the gallbladder to be released into the duodenum. Bile is composed of 97% of water, bile salts, phospholipids, cholesterol, and bilirubin. Functions of the gallbladder: number 1, it is the reservoir of bile, concentration of bile, and secretion of the mucus. These are the 3 functions of the gallbladder. It is most common biliary pathology, the gallstones and the cholelithiasis, and inflammation is the cholecystitis. It affects 10 to 15% of the population, 80% of which is symptomatic. Types of gallstones: 3 main types: cholesterol stones, pigment stones, and mixed stones. Pigment stones are the black or brown or bilirubin stones. In Asia, 80% of these stones are pigment stones consisting of calcium bilirubin or bilirubin. The cholesterol stone consists of cholesterol, while mixed stones consist of calcium salts, bile acids, bile pigment, and phospholipids. Cholesterol, which is insoluble in water, is secreted from phospholipid vesicles. Obesity, high caloric diet, and certain drugs like oral contraceptives can increase the secretion of cholesterol, and supersaturation the bile, increasing the lithogenicity of the bile. Lithogenicity of the bile means producing bile stones in the bile. Pigment stone: this is the name used for stone containing less than 30% cholesterol. They are of 2 types, black and brown. Black stones are composed of insoluble bilirubin pigment mixed with calcium phosphates and calcium bicarbonate. 30% of stones are black. Black stones incidence increases with age and are associated with hemolysis and cirrhosis. The brown pigment stones are rare in gallbladder. They contain calcium carbonate, calcium palmitate, and calcium citrate. Besides cholesterol, these stones are related to bile salt, bile stasis, and infected bile. They are associated with foreign bodies like stents or parasites like Ascaris lumbricoides. Clinical presentation: gallstone may be symptomatic or may be incidentally discovered while investigating some other pathology. There is pain and discomfort in the right hypochondrium or epigastrium, which may radiate to the back. The pain is colicky, constant. Other symptoms include dyspepsia, flatulence, intolerance to fats, nausea, and vomiting. Biliary colic is present in 10 to 25% of patients. Pain may last from few hours to 4 days. Patient may have pain in the night, which make him wake up. Duration is between attacks, be variable from a few days to weeks or to months. Jaundice only occurs if one of stone from the gallbladder enters into the common bile duct and obstructs it. Effects of gallstones: the effects of gallstones includes biliary colic, acute cholecystitis, chronic cholecystitis, empyema gallbladder, mucocele, perforation of the gallbladder, obstruction of the common bile duct, acute cholangitis, inflammation of the bile ducts, acute pancreatitis, and intestinal obstruction. Diagnosis: it is based on history, general physical examination, radiological examination, ultrasound examination. They would show the stone in the gallbladder. In acute stage, patient has pain in the right upper quadrant with nausea and vomiting and tenderness on examination. Murphy's sign is positive with leukocytosis and high LFTs. Liver function tests are deranged. If gallbladder perforates, there is peritonitis and silent abdomen with distension. A palpable non-tender gallbladder with jaundice suggests malignancy of the gallbladder rather than gallstones. This is called Cavaz's law or Cavaz's sign. Investigations: plain X-ray abdomen or chest view, oral cholecystography or IV cholangiography, endoscopic ultrasound, CT scan, MRI, magnetic resonance cholangiopancreatography, MRCP, endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, ERCP, percutaneous transhepatic cholangiography, PTC, and pre-operative cholangiography or T-tube cholangiography or operative biliary endoscopy or choledocoscopy. So all these are radiological procedures which may be done one or the other depending on the stone, its presence, and the surgeon who wants to diagnose it or confirm it. Differential diagnosis: acute appendicitis, perforated peptic ulcer, acute pancreatitis, myocardial infarction, right lower lobe pneumonias. Treatment is cholecystectomy is done in patients with symptoms and complications. Prophylactic cholecystectomy in diabetes mellitus. Patients with acute cholecystitis are benefited with cholecystectomy. Post-operative treatment: NPO, IV fluids, IV analgesia, IV antibiotics. If patient has jaundice, then MRCP followed by choledocholithiasis. Then after 6 weeks, T-tube cholangiography may be done to confirm the presence of stone. Reference is Short Practice of Surgery by Bailey and Love, 26th edition. Thank you very much.